Okay, now fifth part. Fifth is that in this whole course, you will figure it out. You will find the assignment. Okay, all the course have, all the module have the assignment. You just fill that assignment. It will directly come to me, and I'm going to see each of the things. And of course, this assignment part is not mandatory. And I tell you very frankly, even 2 or 3% people will do this assignment. Damn sure, I'm telling you. Okay, maybe I will reveal the stats in our last webinar that how many people. Okay, I'm not going to reveal the name. I will just reveal the percentage of the people who's completed the assignment. Okay, so this is the assignment. So assignment, and that is also going to be reviewed by me. Okay, so first thing, the benefit of the assignment, that it will more clear your understanding. Uh, right now you are listening to me, you feel that okay, you understand everything. But when I form this into in the form of, when I ask you in the form of the question, okay, then you either you become confused, maybe you're clear also, sometimes you become confused, okay, and sometimes you thought that you understand this, but you're not able to explain here. Okay, so assignment is one of the important factor if you are rigorously following all these course. Okay, last point is that most of the course, what happened, you enroll into the course, okay, with respect to, I'm talking about this internet marketing or digital marketing, and then they forget you, you forget them. Okay, then there is no connection and all these things. Or even then, after the completion of the course, you are thinking that how I'm going to earn the money. Okay, where to contact, who's going to give me the work, or who's going to give me the product to product to sell. So in this program, I'm giving you the opportunity. Okay, I'm giving you the opportunity to earn even in this program, and of course there will be my full support behind that. Okay, so, and I think I have not seen any program who has given or who's offering such kind of opportunity. Okay, basically this learning, digital learning program. So here you will give the opportunity. If you're serious, okay, if you've gone through everything, you will get the opportunity to earn also. And that might be a recurring income that is more related to the pro membership. Maybe I've taken one webinar for that, but I will take some other webinar also if you have not attended that. Okay,